Are you trying to stream live to YouTube while saving your combined stream locally, only to be hit with an error? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue with FFmpeg that can leave you scratching your head. I totally get it. You want to capture your screencast, webcam, logo, and audio all at once, but instead, you get an error message. It can be incredibly frustrating when technology doesn't cooperate, especially when you're trying to create something awesome. Here's the situation. One user on Fedora 25 is trying to run a command to stream live to YouTube while saving the final combined stream into an MP4 file. But they encountered an error that says, Streamcopy requested for output stream 0, which is fed from a complex filter graph. Sound familiar? Let's break this down. So what does this error mean? Essentially, FFmpeg is telling you that you can't use stream copying and filtering at the same time for the same output stream. This is a common pitfall when working with complex filter graphs. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip to help you avoid this issue in the future. To resolve the issue of stream copy and filtering not being compatible, the user should modify the command to avoid using stream copy for the output stream that is fed from a complex filter graph. Next, the user can separate the streaming and the local file saving into two distinct outputs. This means using the filter graph for the local file while sending a simpler stream to YouTube. For the local file output, the user should specify the output format as MP4 and ensure that the video codec is set to libx264 without using the copy option. Finally, the user should adjust the command to include two output specifications, one for the YouTube stream and another for the local MP4 file, ensuring they are both correctly formatted. Fun fact, did you know that FFmpeg is named after the MPEG video format and the term fast forward? It's a powerful tool that can do so much more than just streaming. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution provided by a user is to remove the stream copy option altogether. Since you are already filtering or encoding the input streams, you cannot use stream copy. Just eliminate the -c copy command from your FFmpeg command. Here's a pro tip. Always check the compatibility of your codecs with the output format you are using. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. By adjusting your command, you should be able to stream live to YouTube and save your combined stream without any errors. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.